Why would a company use recruitment companies? Well, any business knows that for them to be successful, they need the best employees. They need the best people in the market. And you may not know this, but if the market is 100%, 70% of candidates are actually passive candidates. What does that mean? Passive candidates means that they're not actively looking for work. So for example, you guys watching right now, you're, let's say, on a £30,000 a year salary. You're not actively applying for new jobs, but someone gives you a call and says, I've got a job and it's paying £40,000 a year. Would you be interested? Likelihood is you would at least entertain that conversation. And that is 70% of the market. So it's very difficult for a company to go and attract these candidates because they can only attract 30%. We can attract 70%. How? Again, I will go through that. But the point though being is, as a recruitment company, we have access to a lot more candidates than a company would ever get access to. Now, they can hire people, but even when they hire people, if you come with the right product and you come with the right service, which basically means they are looking in a particular part of the industry and you come with a candidate that they need, well, they have to say yes. And because if a company needs, for example, a software engineer with X and X and X skill, and they use 10 of those, for example, and this company is looking for 3 people. If you call them with, I have this person who's looking for work and he is interested and he's local to you, that company is going to be interested. That company is going to want to have a conversation with you because as recruitment companies, we don't sell something that the company doesn't want. Actually, we're selling something to the company they need. If they don't hire these positions, it impacts the business massively. If we don't get these jobs and these positions filled, the business does actually start getting affected very badly. Projects don't get completed, work doesn't get done, and so it really is problematic. Remember that as someone who is starting a recruitment company, we're not just cold calling and doing sales and begging people to work with us. That's not how we do work. Actually, we are in charge. We have a product that is very valuable, that is very good. In essence, we are providing that candidate to the company because they need that person. For example, you guys are sitting there now, let's say you work in sales and I give a call to your manager and I say, I've got this really good salesperson, he's got good experience, he's in the industry, he's local to you, and he can come in next week to have a conversation and have a chat with you. Your manager would at least entertain that call. And that's the point.